First and foremost, hopefully everyone found this morning's sessions informative. My entire steering committee and the folks who have organized this event really appreciate the audience participation via the Twitter feed, as well as the audience participation in our interactive polls. So thank you very much, and please keep that up. Tino made mention of something unique that we've done this past year within Tag FinTech that I wanted to talk to this group about as something that I think is an important initiative that we need to continue to stay on top of. You know, Gardner and Tom and Mark and I, as venture capitalists who focus in this space, get to spend a lot of time in innovation hubs. And we definitely tout Atlanta as an innovation hub in and around transaction processing and financial technology. That being said, we can always do a better job of supporting our entrepreneurial ecosystem. So this past year, we raised a $50,000 grant that was presented to the winner of the CapVenture program, which was a program run by TAG to help early stage companies figure out how and when to raise capital, what's the best way to go about it, prepare their pitch decks. We put the word out. We got 11 submissions of financial technology companies vying for this award, narrowed it down to a final 3, and ultimately awarded a $50,000 grant to a company called DoubleNetPay. Brian, are you still here? Brian Cosgrave, the CEO, was here earlier. There he is. Brian, congratulations again. What I was very excited about in the Innovation Award for 2014 was the fact that we had the large industry players, Elavon, Fiserv, Payscape, Sysnet, and TSYS all participate with a relatively small contribution to help us build out this grant money. Heba Ferry, Getty, and Wynn really took a leadership position to providing nearly a third of the capital for this grant. We got these small companies also got exposure to the judges who were senior executives at Elavon and Fiserv and TSYS. And I know that they've had follow-on meetings even though they may not have won the award. So my call to action this year is I'd really like everybody who's in and around this ecosystem to consider participating in this CapVenture award and make it an annual item so that Atlanta can continue to foster the entrepreneurs who are going to be the next innovators in and around financial technology, and we can have a defensible ecosystem to maintain our position of leadership against Silicon Valley, New York, places like St. Louis, which are doing this from a governmental standpoint. I think it's more important that we do it from an industry standpoint. With that, I'd like to show you a quick video, which is everything is more important with a montage. So we have a montage, and I want to air that for you now so you kind of see what we did. We're trying to make this an annual grant to stimulate entrepreneurship in and around financial technology in Georgia. This was a great start. We had 8 companies apply for a $50,000 non-dilutive equity grant.
Our goals are pretty grand here, folks. We're out to eliminate the #1 crime in the world, identity fraud.
We're here to talk to you about our company, Capio, and how we help individuals make smarter investments.
In essence, we're an API platform that helps processors and ISOs resellers with merchant acquisition.
And what we do at Swipe Loyalty is we provide consumers a second choice for their debit cards.
LendLift is an online marketplace platform that helps responsible credit card borrowers.
TradeRocket is a supplier portal that allows suppliers to get paid faster.
We're an actionable financial wellness solution that's a complement to traditional financial benefit programs.
Questions?
The winner are our friends at DoubleNetPay and Brian Cosgrave. Congratulations, Brian.
Thank you.
So thanks everyone at the Technology Association of Georgia and to the FinTech section for supporting entrepreneurship and us entrepreneurs. It's been a lot of fun.
We've been doing CapVenture for a number of years with the idea that we want to help young companies to go through that process to get ready for funding.
And we hope to see a whole new batch next year. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
There you go. That's the real.
Thank you. Yes.
Despite that really awesome beard, please consider participating this next year. And our steering committee folks will be reaching out to solicit contributions.